Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to create a full-screen interstitial ad application using SwiftUI and Google Mobile Ads. In this application, we'll use a button to display an ad, and the ad will automatically show when it's loaded. Let's get started. Step 1. Project Setup. First, make sure you have a SwiftUI-based project set up. Configure your project settings and ensure you've added the necessary packages such as Google Mobile Ads. Step 2. Creating Content View. In SwiftUI, we create a view called Content View. This view will contain functions for loading and displaying the ad. In this content view, we use two custom classes, Interstitial Ad Coordinator and Ad View Controller Representable. Content View contains the necessary button for loading and displaying the ad. Step 3. Ad View Controller Representable. Ad View Controller Representable allows us to integrate a UI view controller into SwiftUI, which is essential for displaying the ad on top of the screen. Step 4. Interstitial Ad Coordinator. Interstitial Ad Coordinator is responsible for loading the ad, displaying it, and handling ad events. It listens for events from Google Mobile Ads. The Interstitial Ad Coordinator class loads the ad, presents it, and loads a new ad when the user dismisses it. You can find the source code of this video on our Patreon page. And there you have it. We've created a simple application that integrates a full-screen interstitial ad using SwiftUI and Google Mobile Ads. I hope this video helps you gain a basic understanding of ad integration. If you'd like to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and feel free to leave your questions in the comments. Happy coding!